Okay, guys, again, this is a boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel again. Yeah, today I'm coming with a brand new traffic source, which is going to allow you to get the free traffic to your business. So yeah, so that's it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friend who are interested in making money online. Remember, in this channel, we talk about making money online, and we also review the product. So yeah, that's it. So today I'm coming with a brand new software which it is going to allow you to get the free traffic to your business. So yeah, that's it, guys. So without wasting time today, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use ClickBank as an example. So if you don't know what ClickBank is it's a software or it's a website which it's got a lot of product inside here, so you can go and sign up. It's for free. It's all over in the world, so you can go and sign up. Once you sign up, you can also choose what kind of product you want to promote. Remember, when you are in this software, so when you are in this software, just try to choose the natural product, you know what I mean. Just try to choose a physical product to promote so that you won't get banned, because this software is a good software, and also it is getting a lot of traffic. Also the traffic that is getting this software, it's from USA, UK, and Australia. So it's a good software which it is going to allow you to get the free traffic to your business, which I'm sure you're going to make a lot of money because it's a new software also as well. So what do you have to do first? Just go here where it says, let me move myself down here. Go here where it says share. Just click it. Once you click here, first they are going to ask you a lot of question where say, what would you like to share? Just choose what your kind of product. As a product that I'm promoting is a physical product, so I'm going to go here to the first where say deal. I'm going to just press it, and also they are going to ask you your link or your website. What you have to do, I'm going to go to ClickBank. I'm going to choose the product that I have to promote. I'm going to choose health and fitness here. Remember, ClickBank has got a lot of product that you can choose, so you can go by yourself and start promoting ClickBank. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose which one. There's a product that I used to promote before here. Okay, anyway, let me go with the Okinawa Fraud Tonic. I'm gonna just click here, say promote, and go to my nickname and click generate hop link. The link is already here, so I'm gonna just copy it. Once I copy, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to the website. Please, guys, if this video is giving value, don't forget to subscribe and also give it a thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, so that's it. So once you grab the link, just press it here. Doesn't matter, you can use anything. Let me move myself again. Copy. Then click next. Okay, so what you have to do here, you give it a title. Just go to get this information, you go to the product. It's this one. Okay, now I'm gonna just say click it so that I can get some information about the product. As this product is called Okinawa Fraud Tonic. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just write something else. So I'm gonna just write Okinawa Now, Fadbed tonic. Supplement. So once I'm done, I'm gonna put the price of the product in discount price. To do that, just go to the website. The price is 140 US dollar. So just go back and put the discount. I'm sure they don't have discount, but you can put just the same. Just put 100 and check again. I forget. It's 140 and for 25 cents. 140 25 cents. So here also you can put the same. Remember, here is not euro, it's US dollar, so you can change by yourself here. Let's see. Okay, anyway, I don't know how you can change here, but anyway, let me put this 140 25. So you can put the description also about the product. So what is the deal? How do you get it and how much can you save it? Just go to the product, go and read everything so that you understand what the product does. For the sake, I think there's video. I think you can get some information here as well. I think it's a wasting of time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here to the affiliate page. Okay, so I can just, for the sake of this video, I can just copy this to here. Copy them, but make sure you put a nice description also so that people, they can know what you're trying to promote, you know. So I'm gonna just paste them here. Once I paste, I have to give it I have to give the image of the product. To do that, just I'm gonna go straight to the sales page. They don't exist. Yeah. Yeah. I can just copy this, save it somewhere. Sorry for the network. Yes. I can save it. Then I go back. Then I click here where it says upload the image. Here it is. Upload. Then boom, I'm good to go. Also, the tip that I have to give you guys, you can just, what you have to do is make sure you have multiple accounts with this product, because they don't allow you to post many products. So what we have to do is create as many accounts as you can, so that you can be able to post it and every time that you want, because you are limited here. So make sure you create as many accounts as you can. And also, once you're done, just select the category of the product. For the sake of this training, the product that I'm trying to promote is health and beauty. So I'm gonna just click it. Once I'm done, you can also give an expire date. For the sake of this, I can just put 28. Then once I'm done, once it reaches that date, you can just go back and change it again. Keep on upgrading. Then once you're done, just click here, we say schedule. As you can see here, they're asking for me to sign in. If you are new for this website, they don't allow you to just post at once. It's going to take some time, maybe some few hours, because I have multiple accounts with this website. So for now, they won't allow, because this is a new account that I created just for the sake of training, guys. So you can do that. Just give it time for after maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, then you'll be able to sign up. So I hope you enjoy, guys. This is what I came with today. I hope it is going to help you a lot, man, to just get free traffic. Remember, this website, no one knows about it, and it is getting a lot of traffic from USA, UK, and Australia. So just go after it, sign up, and they start seeing result as soon as possible. So yeah, this is for today, guys. I hope you understand everything. If you enjoy this video, give it thumb up, like, and share with your friend. It really helps me to create more videos like this every day. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.